Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can install the Whitestone Glass EZ Glass onto your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. And this is the glass right here. This is the jig that you need to put onto your phone to help you with the installations. There's also alcohol wipes, dust removal stickers, and cleaning cloth on your device. Now first use the alcohol wipes and give your phone screen a very good clean. So just make sure that you are working in an environment where there are no dust or no wind. After that, you can use the dry cloth and wipe off the wet screen. So make sure it is nice and clean. And then we're going to use the dust removal sticker to remove any dust still sticking on the screen. Now continue to remove any dust. After that, you can put the jig on top of the iPhone's screen. Okay, now continue to use the dust remover sticker to remove any remaining dust. Now we're going to peel out the screen protector cover. So hold it on the side and then immediately place the screen protector onto your iPhone screen. And then just push it downwards from the top down to the bottom in the center. So push it down the center and then allow your phone to slowly push all the bubbles out. Now you may need to use your thumb and push any bubbles that still remain on the edge of the phone. So just be patient while doing this. So just rub out the bubbles. After that, you can put the case on. Now the screen should allow you to have enough space that you can put the case on without interfering with the screen protector. Now here I'm testing the screen sensitivity, and I'm just going to drag the icons around the screen. So the screen protectors still maintain the iPhone screen sensitivity. You should be able to use it without any problem. The screen protectors are quite smooth, allowing me to easily glide my finger across the screen without issues. So here it is what it looks like with the case on. So you can see there is a small gap between the screen protector and the case. Okay guys, I wish you a successful installation of the Whitestone EZ Glass for your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Thanks for watching.